Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Monday, April 28, 2025. We'll be covering market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes closed mixed today. The healthcare sector and the communication services sector posted modest gains, while the Nasdaq 100, the Nasdaq Composite, and the technology sector all declined slightly. Market breadth shows mixed signals. The Nasdaq Composite had nearly 1,850 declining stocks versus 1,222 advancing. However, weekly numbers are stronger, with the Nasdaq 100 showing 91% of components advancing over the past week. Looking at returns, the healthcare sector leads week-to-date performance with a 0.37% gain. Year-to-date, the Nasdaq Composite shows the largest decline at -10%, while healthcare remains slightly positive. Among top tech performers, Intel led with a 2.2% gain. Palantir Technologies continues showing strength with 5 consecutive up days and strong upward volatility. Supermicrocomputer also extended its winning streak. Looking at returns, Palantir Technologies stands out with a 52% year-to-date gain and impressive 36% month-to-date return. Supermicrocomputer follows with a 22% year-to-date increase. Among declining tech stocks, NVIDIA led losses, dropping 2%. Five fell 1.8%, while Fidelity National Information Services and Corpay each declined 1.6%. Year-to-date performance shows NVIDIA down 19%, the largest decline among this group. Corpay and Micron Technology are both down more than 6% for the year. Technology ETFs showed mixed performance. Cubes and Vanguard Information Technology both closed slightly lower, while ProShares Ultra QQQ marked its 5th consecutive positive close. ProShares Ultra Short QQQ has shown relatively flat movement over the past 3 days. Year-to-date returns show significant divergence among tech ETFs. VanEck Semiconductor and Vanguard Information Technology are both down about 13%, while ProShares Ultra QQQ has experienced a more substantial decline of nearly 32%.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Meta Platforms and Apple both closed higher for the 5th consecutive day. Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet all finished lower. All 5 companies are showing mixed negative trends. Year-to-date performance shows significant declines. Apple is down 16%, while Alphabet and Amazon have each fallen about 14%. Microsoft has declined 7%, with Meta Platforms down 6%. In semiconductor stocks, Wolfspeed surged 26.2% with notable volatility. InChains gained 6.3%, while POET Technologies rose 4.8% with strong upward volatility. Nanolabs and QuickLogic each added 4.3%. Monthly returns show Wolfspeed leading with a 35% gain. InChains has declined 26%, while POET Technologies is up 14%. Nanolabs has gained 12%, and QuickLogic is up 9%. In cloud computing, SAP SE rose 2.6% with upward volatility and a strong positive trend. Zscaler gained 1.9%, hitting a 1-year high. IBM, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, and Shopify all finished higher. Year-to-date performance shows Zscaler leading with a 22% gain, followed by SAP SE, up 16%. IBM has gained 7%, while Shopify is down 7%. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise has declined 23%. In AI and robotics, Cognex led with a 2.9% gain, while Boeing rose 2.4%, showing a very strong positive trend. Nidec added 1.8% with some upward volatility. iRobot and Oceaneering International posted modest gains. Year-to-date metrics reveal significant declines. iRobot has fallen 69%, Oceaneering International is down 31%, and Cognex has dropped 25%. Boeing shows a modest 3% gain, while Nasdaq is nearly flat. In thematic ETFs today, several AI and robotics funds showed upward momentum. Pacer US Cash Cows Growth ETF led at 44.12, up 0.25. All 5 funds have closed higher for 5 consecutive sessions, though maintaining mixed negative trends. Weekly returns show Spear Alpha ETF leading with an 8.47% month-to-date gain. Wisdom Tree AI and Innovation Fund advanced 3.21% this month. Year-to-date, all funds are showing negative returns ranging from -1% to -20%. Electric vehicle stocks showed strength today. NIO surged 6.9% to 4.31, while Rivian Automotive gained 4.5% to 13.19, marking its 5th consecutive positive close with strong upward trend and volatility. NEIO leads month-to-date returns at 13.1%, followed by Rivian at 5.9%. Li Auto shows the strongest year-to-date performance, with a 1.3% gain, while others remain negative for the year. Among quantum computing stocks, Summit Hotel Properties led gainers, rising 2.2% to 4.7, marking its 4th straight positive close. Honeywell International added 0.75% to 200.66, though maintaining a mixed negative trend. Month-to-date returns show significant pressure, with Summit Hotel Properties down 24.8% and Honeywell declining 5.2%. Only TE Connectivity shows positive returns at 2.5% for the month. Solar stocks showed strong gains today. FTC Solar jumped 7.5% to 3.42, while Sunnova Energy rose 6.1% to 0.23. Array Technologies added 5.3%, marking its 5th consecutive positive close. Month-to-date, FTC Solar leads with a 19.2% gain, while Sunnova shows the largest decline at -38.7%. Year-to-date, the sector faces headwinds with all stocks down between 12% and 93%. In thematic tech ETFs, several funds showed synchronized upward movement with 5 consecutive days of gains. First Trust Index X, Innovative Transaction and Process ETF, stands out with a strong positive trend at 48.71. ARK Innovation ETF at 51.24 exhibited some upward volatility despite its mixed negative trend. Monthly returns show ARK Innovation ETF leading with a 7.7% gain, while ETF MG Prime Cybersecurity ETF posted a 2.8% increase. Year-to-date, First Trust Index X Innovative Transaction and Process ETF leads with nearly 5% returns, contrasting with Invesco DWA Technology Momentum ETF's -19.9% performance.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host, Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.